Blue, where are you at? Blue Diamond.
Driving.
Wait.
Adios.
No.
I'm getting $5 out. You don't dare me to drive in this.
EF1, bro.
Yeah, but if I go 1 mile per hour, it's good.
Why are we driving? You know, it makes you drive slower on the grass, right?
False.
No, it makes your acceleration slower.
No, it doesn't.
That might be in the second version of the game.
Yeah, it's the second version, not first. It's
Do we even tell
yeah,
you guys what game we're playing? Okay, we're
yeah.
the.
We almost got lifted.
How? You drove
Two.
with it already?
Yeah, yeah.
One.
100 miles per hour on grass.
Is it following the road or not?
Nope. That should be.
Or why is my car not turning, bro?
I don't know.
Bro, I forgot to tell you guys what game we're playing. We're playing Just Tornadoes 1. Get on the ground.
Well, let's not get those.
Tornado is a tornado.
Yeah, but EF1 through EF0 sucks.
I survived. What? They should make the threshold on the Dominator 1 higher.
No.
They should make it be able to withstand an EF4 and it would slide, bro. Because IRL it survived the EF4 and EF5 wins. It slid on both. It was in an actual EF4, but yeah, it only slid. Domwood is EF4 or 5. 4 or 5, they'll slide, but they won't get picked up because the wind can't get under them.
No.
They're in an EF4 tornado, bro. They survive. Because they're built different.
Mythbusters.
We kept trying in the game. IRL, when they were in EF4, they slid, but...
No, that was EF5. EF5 wins.
No, they were in actual 3 EF4s with it.
So.
Or, I don't know if it was 3. They were in an EF4, which they slid in. Like, actual EF4 tornado. Rotating wind, bro.
How did they do that much?
I don't know, because the wind can't get under the vehicle.
No.
I'm pretty sure they turned their parking brake on off. That actually smart.
I got a question. How did rotation give out 65 to 200 wind miles per hour? What about rotation?
60 mile an hour. Well, 65 mile an hour for Neo Zero, bro.
Where are ya?
Driving in my car.
You can't. Went fence that. Dude, shut up. Honestly, you cannot say that because we will get copyrighted.
No, we won't.
Yes, we will.
We built different, bro. We won't. Or at least I. Bro, why the heck is your mic turning off and on?
I don't know.
It's like normally loud and then it's like freaking whispering, but you're not whispering how quiet it is. It's like how quiet whispering would be, but it's not whispering voice.
I don't know where I am. I'm out of tunnel.
Oh, whoa. I'm going back to spawn, bro. Go to spawn.
I was about to get stuck in the TIV too.
Tiv 2. The Tiv 2 is a disgrace to society.
Actually, it survived longer than the Jazz Dom 1.
The Dominator 1 is better than the Tiv 2 1.
No, it's not.
Not Tiv 2. Tiv 1 IRL is built for EF2. And then Dom 1 was in the EF4 and sled, that's all.
Where was it? We in the woods.
The strongest tornado that the Tiv 1 has ever been in was an EF3. And they weren't even in the core of it. They were shaking in the Tiv 1. That's the early stages of the Tiv 2, but it kept breaking and stuff, so I watched Storm Chasers. I know that.
Ugh. Well,
Do I have to use the Dominators or not?
no. But
Okay,
you
I'm gonna
can't
use Titus
use
for a little.
Fitz Jinkle. You cannot use Fitz.
I ran
Whatever.
into you with my Titus.
Okay,
You
which
know,
one survived?
in the
Which
show,
one
the
survived?
Titus is supposed to survive EF4 wins, right?
No.
It's 170 mile an hour, I'm pretty sure. 170 is the threshold in the
How did
movie.
they end it?
160 something or
Wait.
170 something.
Wait, what if we join my private to see who
If
survives
we
the
join
longest?
your private, we're gonna die, bro. We are actually gonna
Huh?
die if we join your private.
Well, do it.
Bro. I regret my life choices.
Mean man. One of us will die first, but it's definitely not me. Okay, get in the sewers instantly.
You using Tiv because you're stupid. Do
No,
you
we
like
can't
Tiv
use
2
that.
more or Dominator 2 IRL? Or Dominator 3?
You can't use that.
I'm built different. Imagine I just pull out the Tornado Panther, wink wink. Totally don't have it.
You don't. I know you don't.
I do. I do.
No. Oh my god. How many EF5 do you want? Tell on your hazards.
There's only zeros. Go. I close my eyes for a few seconds. I look back and there's two more EF5. Is that heading towards two?
That's not. God dang it.
ET5.
Shut up.
EFT5. Or. Oh, you spawned one and it's heading right towards sewer.
I hate this dang thing.
Dr. Pepper.
Okay, let's check how we play. Oh my god.
Dog, the Dow 6 is the best in sewers, bro.
False. Yes, I almost survived in it, but I almost. I said almost completed. I almost did. But then I died.
We're about to get sent flying, bro. Dang, I just dropped my phone, bro. I'm turning my graphics to the max.
Don't.
My graphics are on max. Weather, heavy rain, time, normal, sky, stormy, time, noon,
Time noon. Weather. Heavy.
heavy rain.
Baseball hillsides. Sky stormy. Default. Okay, we might be dead.
That tornado is big.
Okay, I'm gonna check. Ow. Ow, that hurt. And what is that color?
That is weird cooked.
No. My dog.
Can you even see that?
Yes. That's fun.
Bro, I actually need to leave the game because the camera's wrong. Nobody's going fast.
That's fun. I hear that. I hear that. Uh-oh. Vlog is heading out. No, you don't get into it. I'm in my own car. I'm in mine. I'm in mine now.
No, you're in mine, bro.
No, I'm not. I'm actually in mine.
Oh, I see that. No, you aren't. Jump back.
No, I am in my car.
Russ, do you see deploy?
Yes.
Okay.
No, I'm in the.
Do you see
Crack on
deploy
this
on
thing.
your screen?
Yes.
Okay. Press it.
I am already deployed. Tornado's about to. Oh. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, we'll end it.
Another one. Oh no. You suck, you suck, you suck, you suck, you suck.
Wait, that's not my limit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I got lifted. Oh.
My God, I'm built different. Oh no.
Hey. This is my rest and the vehicle
I got
mine. Yo, ain't no way I'm gonna survive this. Yo, if I actually survive this dang tornado, I swear to God.
By the way, I'm in one.
Yeah, I'm inside the sewer still. Yeah, I guess someone didn't win. Yo, I'm still fine. You better get in sewers. Hey, dude, get ready for some lag.
Oh.
I survived.
Bro,
Yeah.
have you typed in anything over in what? What if they have something over in EF5?
Hey, dude, I survived. Haha.
Well, you got flung. You were in the air first.
Yes, but who made it outside the sewers?
Mine.
So I survived.
I have the best car in the game now.
So oh yeah, fun fact. That was the strongest vehicle. How am I seeing the radar inside my own vehicle?
You can
Wait.
check it right on inside your
No.
vehicle.
No, I mean I'm seeing the map inside my vehicle. Dude, wait, oh my god. Dude, stop. You're parked on top of mine.
Nah, bro, I'm gonna get the best car in the game. Watch. It's way better than oh god. Titus, hurry up! Drive! Oh, we got small EF5s already.
Oh no, we don't.
Small EF5s.
Oh, they just hit
Titus!
something.
You might want to spawn your car in. Bro,
Nah.
is your car alive?
Mm-mm.
I hope your car dies, bro. My car Titus is definitely dying first, bro.
Imagine if I win another round.
Nah, you're gonna lose. Wanna know
Yeah.
why?
Why?
I have the best car in the game.
Titus.
No.
Body.
Down. Dude.
Oh yeah, I almost survived a whole year 5 with that thing. If you just
No, you
deploy.
almost survived. You know, y'all
Dude, my probe! Dude, I needed that.
move your tiv, bro.
No, you can. Yo, that's better.
Actually, move your tiv,
I
idiot.
can't. I can't. What? Dude, go on the other side.
I tried. And I tried.
No, you fitted. You.
Oh my god.
Go on the other side.
Oh, I thought that was a big tornado. There's an EF5 over there that looks small, but it's like an EF0.
You just don't check radar.
Mean.
Like,
Bro, that thing's close. I don't want to be going faster, I guess.
Hey dude, that tornado just moved our direction more.
Yeah,
2 tornadoes.
we're gonna die.
3 tornadoes heading our way.
I'm putting on my parking brake. This thing better work.
You're dead. And deploy.
Yeah, I am, bro.
Who will
Only
win?
reason we
A
survived
TIV
was out.
almost.
Thing was up.
Who will win?
Oh wait, we get that don't
Who
have
will
any
win?
spikes in the floor or anything, or the Dow 6.
No, who will win? I have underground, almost all underground TIV or stuck Dow 6.
Dow 6. Oh god.
Dude, those two, that's an EF10. Dude, that's an EF10.
Remember that other tornado that was bigger than all those combined?
Yeah. My head is stuck in the floor. Do that, do that, do that day, oh, do that day. Wait, we can sit. Oh, there was a seat back here. There was a seat.
Aiden, a 150-mile-an-hour tornado is coming right towards us already.
How do you know? Oh yeah, because you have Dow.
Yeah.
That's just an EF3. I'm pretty sure we'll win it.
No, we're not in a tornado yet.
Oh, now we're
I
in
was
an
about to get lifted
EF3.
by this.
We're in the EF3.
How's my Dow alive?
How is me? Wait, am I moving?
My Dow moved!
How did I win?
Mm,
Yeah,
my
I
Dow
am
is stuck in one place. We're not even in the F5 yet, or EF5. Now we
Now
are!
we are.
Now we are! How did my Dow go back down on the floor when it's EF5, bro? This thing's built different.
That's how I got mine stuck in the ceiling.
I think you
It-
should scan faster, Dow. No! Dow!
Hey, you could survive in that.
How am I not alive? Oh, we're not even in it. We're still. It's slowly but surely coming out. Oh,
Dude, we just got in another EF5.
no!
We just went in another EF5.
How are you alive?
I do not know. I'm slowly moving out.
Are we still in one?
No, all of them passed. But we
How is
still.
my Titus alive, bro? Titus is built different. Spawn more in.
Yeah, but no. My TIV needs a break. Did that say 300? Well, 230.
300.
Why is it still in the 200s? Dude, the closest is the tornado is down the road. When my friends just joined. I don't think he knows what's been happening.
Oh, he's actually cooked. Bro, the
Yeah.
Titus death is not. What? How is the pigeon alive?
How am I alive?
The Tim 2 would have survived in the F5 alive. But the pigeon would survive in the F1 million.
Hey, dude. I survived another round. I survived the second round. Well, upside down.
Bro, he's cooked. He's something. Yep. Do
Yep.
not spawn the F5.
TIV2. Can I read this upside down? California. Oh, so they'll come from California.
How's your car alive?
No,
Tim 2 is not built for this stuff. Where the heck is your other spike? Oh, I don't want to get stupid Tim. Tim 2 is under the map.
yeah, no, dude, get out,
Oh,
dude, stop.
wait,
Dude,
I got your spike in the wall.
you undeployed, dude. You just undeployed. Now I'm stuck under the map, dude. You just undeployed. It took me so long.
That's why you don't use the use storm reaver.
I need to go over a seat.
That's why I should use storm reaver.
No, I want to be in the driver's seat now. Non-driver's seat, I mean.
If you undeploy the Titus, it only takes 8 seconds. So you know.
Yeah, and I deployed. Okay, I think I'm ready.
You better, bro. That's not the driver's seat.
I almost put .ef5.
I'm in your driver's seat, bro.
Dude, don't undeploy. I swear to God if you do.
my head! I'm stuck! I'm stuck! I'm stuck!
No.
I'm cooked up. Where's the pigeon at?
Wait, which one would survive, pigeon or human body?
Pigeon. The pigeon has never been picked up by anything. The pigeon can fly away if it needs to.
Good question. Who will survive?
The
Human body or pigeon?
pigeon.
Are you sure? Because our body can hand up to 2,000 miles per hour.
Not in real life, like 80s or something.
He thinks this is.
IRL EF1 can pick up cars, I'm pretty sure.
Come on. Private. So. No, dude. Private server.
Bro, the Tiv better work. Bro, I hope the Tiv gets flung.
How many tornadoes are heading our way? 0. Why is every single tornado going off the map? I want sewers. I need to.
The next time she us, the
There we go.
tornadoes will be closer. Okay, so
Am warning. Dude, go to sewers. I'm good. Normally. Oh, you're cooked. You're cooked. That's unbelievable cooked. Dude, your main hold is like barely anything.
Mangled Freddy. Bro, the tornado missed us.
140. No.
Make the
That's
speed.
the wrong tornado.
Make the
That's
speed.
the wrong tornado.
Make the speed 2.
Nah.
It's slow, lol. Bro, Josh. Bro, Josh. Oh,
Yeah, I slowed it down a bit more. Look at the suffer and.
freak you.
Did he just undeploy?
Oh, yeah, he did. Thank God he made those low. I swear.
I swear, yo, why? Well, dude, I need the deploytion to survive
Oh, make it
too.
faster once you're deployed.
I can't.
It's a little closer.
No, I get it. Every time I leave, it says deploy, not deployed. Deploy. So I get it.
Yo, dog. I think it's just.
Okay, my car's deployed. Oh, you got to be kidding me.
Bro, Ty, this is not built.
I swear to God. Wait.
Ty, this is not built to resist.
Wait, dude, they just flipped my car back
Evil
over.
plays. You do not want to be in my car. This is smart than now.
Hey, dude. It just flipped my car back over.
Yeah.
I survived.
Oh, no. Oh, you're halfway out. You're basically halfway out, aren't you?
Nah, I am out. But it just flipped my car back over, so I deployed. Uh-oh.
You're dying, bro.
Yeah, 200 mile plus isn't my threshold.
Your threshold is 190.
Yeah, but that's for core. If I get a side intercept...
We're doing a core intercept. And my core intercept is...
Sure, but
and my
hold on.
core intercept is 120.
Hold on, very quickly. Did he just undeploy?
Or. Yo, I'm about to do a movie scene. How funny this is about to be.
Deploy faster, please.
There's an EF4. No.
I'll win.
I hope you die. Titus is about to have the funniest step ever. Or not funniest.
Wait.
Bro,
You
if
probably
you start sliding, mine would be in the sky already.
No. Hey, dude. Going to Sue wasn't just record me getting lifted. I'm slowly dragging.
I'm not even dragging it.
Hey, dude, get in Sue's now.
Dog, my
Now.
car's fully
Now, please. Now.
Bro, I've been recording for like a minute or two already.
Yeah, just watch me recording while getting lifted.
Bro, I'm recording right now.
I know. I was dragging.
Yo, bro, get out of your car and come look at mine. I'm gonna get lifted first. Bro, make this tornado's normal speed, bro. This one I can deploy the TIV 2.
Dude. We're not even inside.
40 outside of it.
We're not even inside of it.
Well, I'm shaking. My car ain't deploying.
Hey, dude. Look outside where I was last.
I got flung because it's.
Hey, dude. I'm in outer space. Hey, dude. Hey, TF5 just hit us, and TIV survived. Somehow. But his controls
It's literally, I'm in sewers where I was.
Hey, dude, did you see where I last was?
Where's my Titus gone?
Where did I go?
You're cooked.
Wait, look where I last was.
You're gonna be gone, bro.
Yeah, look where I last was.
Dog, we're cooked. 30-minute long video.
I have to leave. Bye.
My car won't spawn in. Oh, he got off the car. What the freak? My car.